Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to add admin on Instagram page using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for facebook.com. Okay, don't worry because we need to use facebook.com in order for us to create or add admin on our Instagram page. So now just go ahead and open your page on Facebook. So this is my page here. So what I need you to do is to just go ahead and click on your page name here at the upper left corner of your screen. Now click on settings. Now, once you've clicked on settings, what I need you to do is to click on linked accounts because we need to link our Instagram account and our Facebook account. So click on connect account, click connect. So I'm just going to allow access to Instagram messages in inbox. Click on confirm. Now just go ahead and log in your Instagram account right here. Then once you've typed your username and your password, just go ahead and click on log in. Okay, so now just gonna click on save info. So I don't need to enter my informations again. So just need to wait. So now just click on done because my Instagram and Facebook page is now connected. So click on OK. And then after you've done that, you should see this tab, okay? So just go ahead and click on Facebook page settings. So now click on that. And then you should see the community managers. So community managers is the same as admins. So just go ahead and click on manage because as you can see, community managers can moderate chat comments, suspend or remove people who violate community standards and see all admins of this page. So now just go ahead and click on manage. So now here, just go ahead and click on add community manager. So now click on get started. Then now just go ahead and search for or type the email of the user that you want to add as a community manager or an admin on your page. So after you've done that, I'm just gonna type any random user, okay? So I'm just gonna add this user and click on send invite. So after that, you just need to wait until this user accepts my invitation. Okay, so once this user accepts the invitation, it means that this user is now added on the list of community manager or the admins. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.